Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Goal Zero has established itself as a leader in portable solar-powered solutions, offering clean, reliable energy for a variety of situations. Whether you're an adventurer seeking power on the go, a homeowner preparing for emergencies, or someone looking to reduce reliance on traditional energy sources, Goal Zero solar generators provide versatile and sustainable solutions. With a range of products tailored to different energy needs, Goal Zero empowers users to harness the power of the sun and embrace a more independent lifestyle. The foundation of Goal Zero's products lies in their innovative design and commitment to sustainability. Each solar generator is engineered to provide a seamless, user-friendly experience while reducing environmental impact. By pairing a Goal Zero solar generator with their proprietary Boulder Solar Panels, users can convert sunlight into electricity, which is then stored in the generator's high-capacity lithium battery. This stored energy can be used to power a wide range of devices, from smartphones and laptops to home appliances and critical equipment during power outages. The ease of setup and operation makes Goal Zero products accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. One of the standout features of Goal Zero solar generators is their portability. Designed with adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts in mind, these generators are lightweight and compact, making them ideal for camping trips, road journeys, and other off-grid experiences. Models like the Yeti 200X are particularly popular for their small size and ability to charge essential devices such as phones, tablets, and cameras. For those who need more power on the go, the mid-range Yeti 1000X offers the capacity to run small appliances, lights, and other equipment, ensuring you stay connected and comfortable no matter where you are. Goal Zero also excels in meeting the needs of homeowners and off-grid living enthusiasts. Their larger models, such as the Yeti 3000X and Yeti 6000X, are designed to provide substantial backup power during emergencies or for extended periods of off-grid living. These units are capable of powering refrigerators, medical devices, and other essential appliances, offering peace of mind during power outages or natural disasters. For those living in remote areas or seeking to reduce reliance on the grid, Goal Zero solar generators provide an efficient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered generators. One of the most appealing aspects of Goal Zero solar generators is their versatility. With multiple output options, including USB ports, AC outlets, and 12 volts car ports, these generators can power a diverse range of devices. This flexibility makes them suitable for various applications, from charging everyday gadgets to running larger appliances. Additionally, Goal Zero offers a range of accessories, such as solar panels, extension cables, and protective cases, allowing users to customize their setup to suit specific needs. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time van lifer, Goal Zero products adapt to your lifestyle, ensuring you always have access to reliable energy. The durability and quality of Goal Zero products set them apart from competitors. Built with rugged materials and designed to withstand outdoor conditions, these generators are ideal for users who demand performance and reliability. The Boulder Solar Panels, for example, feature a sturdy aluminum frame and tempered glass for durability, making them suitable for use in various environments. Likewise, the Yeti series solar generators are constructed with robust components to ensure longevity and dependability, even with regular use. Another important factor that makes Goal Zero a trusted brand is its focus on innovation and continuous improvement. Over the years, the company has refined its products to meet evolving energy demands and customer expectations. The latest Yeti X series features advanced lithium battery technology, improved charging speeds, and greater power output, offering users a superior energy storage solution. Goal Zero also invests in research and development to create sustainable energy solutions that align with its mission to reduce carbon footprints and promote renewable energy adoption. For those looking to embrace off-grid living or enhance their emergency preparedness, Goal Zero solar generators offer a practical and impactful solution. In emergency scenarios, having access to clean and reliable energy can be a game changer. Goal Zero products allow users to keep critical devices, such as medical equipment and communication tools, running during blackouts. They also ensure that essentials like refrigeration, lighting, and cooking appliances remain functional, providing comfort and safety when traditional power sources are unavailable. The ability to recharge the generator using solar panels means you're not dependent on fuel or electricity, giving you true energy independence. The environmental benefits of using Goal Zero solar generators cannot be overstated. By harnessing renewable solar energy, these generators eliminate the emissions associated with gas-powered generators, making them a cleaner and greener option. This is particularly important for users who are conscious of their environmental impact and want to make sustainable choices. Goal Zero's commitment to eco-friendly practices extends beyond its products. The company actively participates in community programs and disaster relief efforts, using its technology to provide clean energy to those in need. In addition to their practicality and environmental advantages, Goal Zero solar generators are a cost-effective investment. While the upfront cost may be higher than traditional generators, the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance make them a smart choice. Solar energy is free and abundant, and with no moving parts, Goal Zero generators require minimal upkeep. For homeowners looking to reduce their electricity bills or outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable power source, these generators provide excellent value for money. Goal Zero's range of solar generators caters to a wide audience, ensuring there's a model for every need and budget. From the compact Yeti 200X for light-duty use to the powerful Yeti 6000X for heavy-duty applications, the variety of options allows users to choose a generator that fits their specific requirements. The modular design also means users can expand their system over time, adding additional solar panels or batteries to increase capacity and functionality. This scalability makes Goal Zero products a versatile and future-proof energy solution. In conclusion, Goal Zero solar generators represent the perfect combination of innovation, reliability, and sustainability. Whether you're powering your next outdoor adventure, preparing your home for emergencies, or transitioning to an off-grid lifestyle, Goal Zero provides the tools you need to succeed. With a commitment to quality and a focus on renewable energy, Goal Zero empowers users to embrace a cleaner and more independent way of living. By investing in a Goal Zero solar generator, you're not just choosing a product, you're choosing a brighter, greener future. Explore the full range of Goal Zero solar generators today and discover how easy it is to power your life with the sun. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.